Good Tuesday morning to you, Roger Hill of Wuthering Heights. This weather video is driven by 802cars.com, representing 802 Toyota, Twin City Subaru, and 802 Honda. They're all located off of exit 7 on Interstate 89. Looking at the broad picture here, this is the shortwave trough that'll be digging. There's a lot of digging action. That is, a northerly wind on the backside of this trough will carve out what will be a pretty high amplitude trough of lower pressure off to the west of us, and that's what's going to pull up much more warmth and also some big-time moisture, precipitable water up around 2 to 4 standard deviations. And this is going to bring us a soaking rain on Christmas Eve into Christmas Day, potentially 1.5, maybe 2 inches of total complete rainfall. So this is our current little bit of snow shower and flurry action we're seeing today. This is valid about 8 o'clock this evening. That last flare-up and then pushes off to the north and east and exits out of the region. High pressure gives us a nice day, a dry day, good project weather day on Wednesday. And then following that, a little disturbance to the north of us. Really just shuffles along a little bit north of the border. It could touch off a couple flurries. This is the main event. We have very much a digging trough of lower pressure. On the other side of that trough, on the eastern side, the eastern flank, we have a southerly or southwesterly flow of air bringing up a load of moisture, and this is how it's going to set up. And so this is valid about 1 o'clock on Thursday. That would be 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and then finally 8 o'clock, 7 o'clock in the evening. And the frontal boundary is right here. Of course, a little bit of snow on the back end, but that's not going to be a problem for us. But this is also going to deliver some strong gusty winds. The pressure gradient between high pressure off the coast and this area of low pressure that's tracking along the front and heading north is the main issue. Now, as it pushes on, pretty good swath of rainfall moves on in, and then later in the afternoon, we are going to see that push off to the east, and cooler air works on in and changes any kind of rainfall to widely scattered snow showers and flurries, also with a pretty good crash in temperature. Let's take a look at the wind. Okay, we're going to start tomorrow morning, Wednesday morning. No real issues with that ridge of higher pressure, very calm conditions here. These are wind gusts depicted by the European model. And what we're going to see here is the frontal boundary, and then starting to see some strong winds work their way sort of up the eastern seaboard, the Appalachians and whatnot. This is valid at about, make this 4 o'clock in the afternoon on Thursday. Starting to see the first signs of winds affecting the Green Mountains. The notable, the slightly orange-yellow colors here, they're above basically in that sort of upper 40s to low 50s mode, and this is how it progresses. This is valid about 10 o'clock at night. This would be Christmas Eve night. And you can see the bulk is associated with this jet stream energy out ahead of that cold front, and some pretty good south to southeasterly winds interacting with the Green Mountains, the White Mountains, and so forth. Note southern New England gets a pretty good slap there. And then this starts to turn the corner roughly about 7 o'clock in the morning on Friday. And then really that's 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock. Things are exited out, and the issues are over for high winds on Christmas Day. This is valid 1 o'clock on Friday. Roger Hill, Wuthering Heights. Thanks for watching.